Hello kids, today we will learn about common room items. There are many common room items, but today we will learn about just 20. So are you ready for it? 01 chair, 02 table, 03 lamp, 04 rug, 05 bookshelf, 06 sofa, 07 coffee table, 08 television, 09 ottoman, 10 side table, 11 desk, 12 mirror, 13 plant, 14 clock, 15 curtains, 16 wall art, 17 shelves, 18 cabinet, 19 fireplace, 20 chandelier. Please note that this list is not exhaustive and the order may vary depending on personal preferences and the specific room being considered.